OMG, look what came in the mail.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you would do.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I got a new hand and I am super excited about it. I got this one from the Nail Lover store on AliExpress, and it came in this box. The box was pretty beat up, y'all. It was all smashed and beat up like somebody sat on it, but it was in this bag and the holder was in here. So it is attached. Let me lift the camera up. It is attached to this, and then I had to screw this to the little stand, and this is how I have it on the desk. I had to put some water on the bottom of it so it can stick to this desk, and this is my new desk. I am going to show you guys. Ooh, see how it fell? I am going to show you guys my new setup and everything for my kind of in-home nail filming studio and all of that, so keep an eye out for that video. But I've been trying to get this to stick to the desk, y'all, so we is just gonna hope it stick and stay. I don't want it to fall while I'm working, because that's what I hated about the other hand. If not, I might have to put a cushion under here or something, but we're gonna figure it out. So this one is not posable, so you can move the finger and hold it down and all that. And with these hands, they are posable, but it's kind of hard to work with them. Like if you want to move it down to work on it, you have to try to do a lot. That's why when I saw this one, I was like, this one may work better. As I'm sitting, I can, you know, tilt it down to let the acrylic kind of flow naturally, and then it's just going to pop back up into the original shape. With some of the other hands, after you bend the fingers all which ways, they don't really pop back into a natural shape. And this one looks so realistic. Look at that. I still love these, but they don't really have a lot of detail on them. But look at that. Ooh. And it doesn't feel as soft as this one. This one, I know my drill can cut this up, but this one, I saw a review where somebody just kept running the drill across it and it didn't do anything to it. So I don't know if I want to try that with mine. I feel like I kind of paid a nice little penny for it. So we'll just see. And they sent these little tips, so I'm going to put these in. So it works the same, you know, you shove it in the cuticle the same way, but these feel a lot thicker. I did have to clean the hand when I got it. It was like some dirt or something on it, so I didn't really like that, but it just came off with some alcohol, so I don't know if something happened with in the warehouse or something got on it or something, I don't know. So we gonna see what this little hand do. And from here you can just add another tip on top of this, so it does kind of lift up a little bit. But I like how realistic the fingers look, and the fact that I can move them so that I can see what's going on with the nail a little bit more. So, you know, with our hands, we can do all that, you know, So I like this little hand. I'm going to do a set on it so you guys can see what it's like working with it. And I might put some smaller tips in here, but we shall see. So this is how it looks. I did a 1, 4, 5, 4, 7, and I put them in backwards because when you put it in backwards, it kind of gives you like more of like a nail bed. And it makes sense because typically this part would be on the nail bed. So I think it looks better with the tips on backwards. So let's put some nails on this. So I applied 2 layers of the peel off base coat. And I'm going to go in with these tips. I got these from AliExpress. I didn't get the boxes from AliExpress. I bought these boxes from Nail Light, I believe. And the tips, they look really dirty. I put them in here and I told them that it was yellowing and staining and all this, so they gave me my money back on AliExpress. But this is what the tip looks like. It's like the crystal cracked glass nail. So I think I'm gonna put these on here. So for the tips, I'm going to cut this bottom part off where the number is, and I'm going to cut half of this part. Cut half of this away, just so that it's not all of that extra stuff going on. And I'm gonna glue them on with this nail glue. I got this nail glue from AliExpress as well. So I'm going to use Cover Flamingo. This is by Young Nails. It's a pretty pink. I'm going to use that on the nail bed area. And I'm going to use some clear to cap it all, but you'll see that when we get there. So while I'm doing the Young Nails, I'm going to use this Young Nails brush. If you missed my Young Nails haul, definitely check it out. So here the goal is to kind of feather it down onto that kind of crystal effect. I don't want to cover that up because that is the main event. But here on the thumb, I'm going in with a small bead and just kind of feathering that over a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger bead. And I'm basically going to repeat that on all of the nails. Just basically putting that powder on the nail bed area. I will have the things that I'm using in this video linked below. Also, make sure that you check out my Amazon storefront so that you can see all of the different things that I use in my videos. I also got a new ring light to put over my desk while I'm filming. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I feel like my videos were a little dark, so I added the ring light and everything feels bright and clear. So in this video, I was able to zoom in and get some really great shots. So I'm so happy about that. I have a lot of reviews coming up, and I just filmed a review for a polygel kit, and believe it or not, it was my first time filming a video with polygel. And I have several polygel kits, I just never got around to opening them. But in a video coming really soon, you guys are going to see me open one and try it out. So after I put the nail bed color, I said I wanted to add something to kind of spice it up a little bit. So I'm going in with some of my Itzsirap glitter, and I'm just putting that on top of that kind of crystal effect to just give it like a little pop. So to do that, I'm getting a small ball of clear acrylic, and then I'm just putting that glitter into that. And then I'm going to encapsulate the nail. For my wig lovers out there, I do have some wig reviews coming as well. So I'm super excited about all of the great things that I have coming. I have been trying my best to edit and keep up with the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday videos for you all at 12 p.m. So definitely make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time a video drops. I also have a collab coming up for Halloween. I am super excited about it. We are both doing a Halloween look, so I can't wait for you to see both of our looks. Want you to come over here and check my video out, and then go to her channel and check her video out. Leave us both a comment, let us know if you will rock it, all of that. So I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait. So after encapsulating, I'm going in with this file. Now this file is not the best file for this. This file is great for the natural nails. It's a 100-180. But for my acrylics lately, I have been leaning toward all 100 or on the 80 side because it just really gets in there. So I ended up switching over to my drill. And I must say, y'all, this hand is giving, okay? Because I have that flexibility to kind of just move the finger every which way, I really like how the nails on this hand come out. I have done a couple of sets on this hand, and hopefully I can get them out for you. Probably not all of them in October, but this year. And they have been looking really good, y'all. So I'm going to wipe them off with some swipe. And this hand is a little easier to wipe off as well. The material feels like plastic. It's not like that kind of soft silicone. It feels more of like a plastic feeling, so it's really easy to wipe off. Now I'm going in with some gel top coat, and I put the gel under the bottom too, so I made sure that I cured the bottom as well. And this is what they look like. Super cute. And if you wanted to know why I applied the peel off base, I'm going to show you how I keep all of my nails. I showed you guys before in a separate video, and I will have that in the cards, but I store all of my nails in a display case, and that peel off base makes it so that I can just pop them off, and then I can put them on a display stick and then put them in the display case. So this hand gets a plus, a thumbs up, all of that from me. I have really been enjoying this hand. So let me know what you guys thought about this video. Let me know if you are interested in getting this hand. And always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.